You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. US dollar slipped against its major currency rival last week, weighed by the concerns over the US government debt ceiling on the other hand, and a new bailout package to solve European debt's problem, which helped bolster the euro on the other hand. As a result, investors flocked to the safe haven currencies such as the yen and the Swiss franc. In the spotlight this week will be final US debt deals vote, scheduled in Monday. This event will likely to become the main driver for the whole upcoming week. Next to the euro, European Union emergency summit result and new bailout for Greece calmed down debt crisis worries on the other hand. Meanwhile, credit rating agencies were busy cutting their ratings again. S&P downgraded its rating on Greece further into deep junk territory. Moody's and Fitch rating agency announced they were putting Spain and Italy on review for possible downgrade as well, causing the euro decline. All important this week will be European Central Bank interest rate decisions and Eurozone PMI indices. Forecasters predict some of this decline here, which may pressure the European currency is confirmed. British pound. The British pound appreciated versus the dollar by end of last week are most likely on the US negative economy data and weak gross domestic product result in particular. The upcoming week may bring some disappointing data on the UK economy recovery. All the PMI indices scheduled to come in this week are expected to post a decline. Another important event is the Bank of England interest rates decisions. Taking into account present slowdown in the country recovery processes, the bank is very unlikely to make any changes to its benchmark rates, which is definitely not a positive factor for the British pound. Japanese yens. US default concerns pushed investors towards safe haven yens and Swiss francs last week. As a result, Japanese yen approached its historical maximums against the dollar, despite constant interventions warning from the Japan government. Few economy indices are scheduled to be released this week. Bank of Japan is to announce its benchmark interest rates. The announcement will follow by the closely watched press conference. The yen's positions are largely influenced by the US debt ceiling debates and labor reports for the month of July, due to come in at the end of the week. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference to open long positions above 1.4325 with targets at 1.4420 and 1.4465 in extensions. Below 1.4325, look for further downside with 1.4275 and 1.4225 as targets. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, we say open long positions above 1.6375 with targets at 1.6475 and 1.6510 in extensions. Below 1.6375, look for further downside with 1.6320 and 1.6260 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference to open long positions above 77.25 with targets at 78 and 78.30 in extensions. Below 77.25, look for further downside with 77 and 76.75 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You.